Our clients asked us to create staircase storage for their shoes and other stuff. So we built them to sliding shoe racks and to cabinets, everything they needed, all in one smart design. Slide out the shoe racks to find your shoes neatly hidden away, but always within reach. With 2 sliding racks, there's room for every pair, keeping your space tidy. And for those extra essentials, we added to sleek cabinets, making sure everything has its place. Stylish, functional, and perfectly hidden, our staircase storage does it all. Ready to transform your stairs into storage? Contact us today to get your custom staircase solution.